Do you want to build powerful, responsive web applications without being a full-time programmer? Oracle Apex might just be the tool for you. In this beginner's guide, I'll walk you through what Oracle Apex is, how it works, and even build your first app step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start creating your own applications for free with Oracle Apex. What is Oracle Apex? Oracle Apex stands for Oracle Application Express. It's a low-code development platform, which means you can create full web applications using mostly drag and drop, a little SQL, and without complex programming. It runs entirely in your web browser, so you don't have to install anything on your computer to develop or use apps. You can use it on Oracle Cloud for free, or install it on your own Oracle database. Think of Apex as a toolkit inside the database. You create forms, reports, charts, dashboards, and even mobile-friendly apps all connected directly to your data. Here are some of the key features that make Oracle Apex so powerful. Interactive reports. These let users search, filter, sort, and download data instantly without you writing extra code. Forms and CRUD operations. You can build, create, read, update, and delete functionality in minutes, connected directly to your database tables. Charts and dashboards. Apex includes built-in chart types like bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs to visualize your data easily. Responsive design. Apps you build automatically adjust to mobile, tablet, and desktop screens without extra coding. Security. Built-in authentication and authorization so you can control who can see or edit what. Integration. You can connect to REST APIs, web services, and even external databases to pull or push data. How Apex works. Here's how Oracle Apex works behind the scenes. Your data lives in the Oracle database. Apex is an engine inside that database. When you click a button or submit a form, the request goes directly to the database. The Apex engine processes it and sends the result back to your browser. So it's fast, secure, and everything stays in one place, no complicated middle layers. Where to host Apex? You can host your Oracle Apex applications in three main ways. Oracle Cloud Free Tier. This is the easiest way to get started, and it's completely free with an autonomous database. Paid Oracle Cloud plans for bigger applications and production use. On-premise. If you already have an Oracle database in your company, you can install Apex there and run it locally. Career and use cases. Oracle Apex is used in all kinds of industries, from small businesses to large enterprises. You can build internal business apps like inventory systems, CRM tools, HR portals, public websites, and analytics dashboards. In terms of careers, Apex skills are in demand for roles like Apex developer, Oracle consultant, and low-code specialist. It's especially valuable if you already know SQL, because you can turn your database knowledge into full applications. Next steps and resources. If you are ready to start, go to apex.oracle.com and request a free workspace. Play around, build a small app, and get comfortable with the basics. You can also check Oracle's official Apex YouTube channel and documentation for deeper learning. If you want to know about Oracle Apex-related plugins or the latest news, visit apex.world. From here, you can get all the latest Apex plugins. If you want, you can also learn Oracle Apex from my channel. It has over 320 videos, so feel free to visit my channel to learn. That's it for today's Oracle Apex Beginner Guide. If you found this helpful, Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what app you want to build next. See you in the next video.